All right, let's begin by installing the GitHub Actions integration for Claude. To do that, you'll need to run the command /install GitHub app. However, if you haven't installed the GitHub CLI command line interface yet, you'll likely see an error like GitHub CLI not found. This is a common issue, but it's easy to fix. Open your terminal and run the command ghauth login. When prompted, choose github.com and select the HTTPS option. Type yes when asked to authenticate via the web browser. Copy the one-time authentication code shown in the terminal. Click the browser link, paste the code, and authorize the device. Click Authorize GitHub to complete the login process. You'll see a confirmation once everything is set up successfully. Congratulations! The GitHub CLI is now ready to use. Now let's install the Claude GitHub Actions app. This time you won't get the CLI-related error, and the installation will proceed smoothly. If you use Claude Code alongside GitHub, installing the Claude Code GitHub Actions is a must. It effectively turns Claude into a background agent that monitors your repositories, detects issues, submits pull requests, and even pushes fixes, all without needing you at your desk. Once set up, it continuously watches for issues and PRs, and you can tag Claude anytime to get automated code review. To get started, launch Claude and run the /install GitHub app command. If your repo is already linked, it'll detect it automatically, or you can specify another. After hitting Enter, you'll be redirected to GitHub to install the Claude app. You can apply it to all repositories or select specific ones. I opted for all to keep things simple. During setup, you'll be prompted to install two workflows, Claude Code for tagging Claude in issues and PRs, and Claude Code Review for automated PR audits. I installed both. With my Pro plan, I used a long-lived token instead of an API key. After authorizing access, the app was installed and the token saved. Claude immediately created a pull request with the necessary setup changes, and the review bot started scanning. As you can see, there are currently no issues in this repo, but let's create one to let Claude handle a feature request. For example, in my app, we have all notes and favorites, but they're in the middle of the UI. So let's create an issue to add a sidebar with these sections for better structure. We'll call it Feature Create Side Nav Bar for All Notes and Favorites. You can add a clear and concise description here. I recommend using ChatGPT to write a detailed description so Claude knows exactly what to do. I've pasted mine in, and now the issue is ready. Just click Create Issue, and it's live. Now, to trigger Claude, simply comment @Claude, please implement the above feature. Claude will now start working in the background. It'll analyze your repo, plan out the changes, and generate a detailed to-do list. You can check progress under the View Jobs section. In my case, Claude planned to analyze the code structure, create a claude.md planning file, design and implement the sidebar component, ensure persistence and functionality, commit and push the changes, create a pull request. Once Claude completes each task, the checkbox is marked. You can just sit back, Claude handles it all while you focus on other things. After implementation, Claude will also review the code. If it detects bugs or security issues, it provides suggestions before opening a PR. If everything looks good, you'll get the option to create pull request. Click it, and Claude finalizes everything, including merging the branch if no conflicts are found. You'll see a success message once the PR is merged and the branch is deleted. To verify locally, just run git pull npm start. Now you'll see the new sidebar with icons. You can create and search notes and switch between all notes and favorites. Everything works as expected. And the best part? You didn't write a single line of code. Claude worked as your AI developer in the background. You can even trigger tasks from your phone using the GitHub app. Just create an issue and tag Claude.